Wow, a little different view. Well, not really different view. You're a little further back because the current primary camera has been doing vlogs because I have a little action on the street and I've been doing a daily recording of it. So you're looking real pretty there, Mr. Camera in the gimbal. So you've been in the gimbal for the last a couple of days, and that's what I'm looking at now. It's a my primary Canon T4i, and it's in a Crane 2 gimbal. So of course I got the monitor running and all that other crap, but that's not what this video is about. Video about a package that come today, and this is a repair part for one of my window shakers, because I store my window shakers in the shed. Well, also in the shed is a snowblower. So the first or second storm, I started it up, backed it out, wasn't paying attention, and the front shoe grabbed a hold of the window skirt and broke it. So I was looking all over the place for replacement skirts, and they're not really very easy to come by. So I just happened to find one, and this is from repairclinic.com. So they just happen to have replacement window skirts. And unfortunately I had to buy the whole kit with the window screws and the little window feet and stuff like that, so not a big deal. So in the package you get this is the window installation kit. You know, you get the weather stripping, the foam, the little foam that goes on that you wrap around the case, and all that other good stuff. And then you get the looks like the drain plug, because my particular unit, it's got a hole that shoots out the front. So in case you got it like over a door or something like that, you can put a little hose on this nipple and then direct with a hose somewhere else. And it's got all the screws and stuff like that, and probably new screws for the case, which might come in handy because I might accidentally on purpose lose some. Then you get the little, mine has support feet because it really sticks out the window long. So it's got the leveling feet, so these clip into the frame of the window unit and stuff like that. But the star of the show are the skirts, which is what I primarily needed. So when I clipped it, I clipped the left side. So this is the left side, and you're looking at from the outside in. So broke it right about here, and it, of course, you can't fix it and stuff like that. You can with glue or melting wire and stuff like that, but it's broke, so it needs to be fixed right. And besides, it goes in a window and it rattles enough alone as it is. I don't need any more additional rattling parts. So get the left side and the right side. So you're looking at from the outside in, and if I were to turn it around, then you get the right side in. So what you're looking at from the inside. So it's currently March. It's March 29th when I'm recording this. It's still flipping winter here. It just barely cracked 32 today. Yesterday sucked. It was only 20 degrees with 30-mile-an-hour winds, and it was ice cold, And when I went out to go do my vlog of the project that's going on in the street, I pretty much was frozen to the bone after 6 minutes. So I'll have a video on when I unbury the window units from the shed and see how clean they are and all that other crap when you deal with window units, because that's all I have. I would love to have a nice mini split or central air, but that's not going to happen in this establishment. That's for damn sure, because the sister or the brother of this establishment is just a pile of rubble now. So there you go. So have a little video. It's just nothing more than taking 4 screws off and then putting this the new window skirts in, and then screwing it back in, and then lugging them over to the windows and opening the window and shoving it in and closing the window from the outside, because that's how I install my window air conditioners. Since I'm on the ground floor, I install them from the outside in because it's easier for me to pick them up. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.